What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Neek.
It's your boy, Lee.
And we back with another video.
Another video.
You might as well do a dance to that, because you... Goodbye. What is that? So today, y'all, we're going to be showing y'all our nighttime skin routine. We don't do it every night, but at least twice. No. Every 2 weeks.
Get your face nice and clear, you feel me? You see that
every
boy?
Every 2 weeks.
You see that your boy glistening? No diamonds on, but I'm glistening, you feel me? I got the earrings, but you know, skin glistening, you feel me?
Oh, let's not forget, we thank everybody for getting us past our goal, 100 subscribers. We're on the way to 2. Keep on subscribing. Tell a friend, text a friend, send our link. Search us up on YouTube. Keep subscribing. We got more videos coming on the way. So y'all, we're gonna get into the video. So I didn't know this until I tried it on my face. You know, I was just experimenting. So I ordered this Indian clay mask like the other day, maybe a month ago or something. That's how it looks. Why it's not zooming.
Focus. Push it up a little bit.
There it goes. So I ordered this mask. If anyone don't know, you can get it from like Target, Walmart. You can get it anywhere. But I thought it was just for your hair. So I did it in my hair. Curls popping, he a hater. But I also did it on my face. And it actually cleared up my face like really good. So I was like, let's try it again. So you just use this and some apple cider vinegar. You can get that at Walmart. Now keep in mind, y'all, this stinks, but it works. It stinks, but yeah. First time I was like, ew, what is the smell? But normally, since it's both of us, you know, he just want to be like me and do my skin routine, because there ain't nothing wrong with his face. So I normally use like a little spoon. You can get like your little bowl or whatever. I normally use, if you're using a plastic spoon, I normally use like 2. Because when you mix it with the apple cider vinegar, it's like, it becomes like real foamy, but then it's like, it gets real thick also. So you don't want too much. So we're going to mix it.
Let me show y'all what they look like.
So y'all, we use 2 spoonfuls just like that. 1. Gotta, you know, get up in the 2. So of course you want to close your mask up, and then you get the apple cider vinegar. Now I just poured this in here because I'm really like a more so eye level person to measure stuff with my eyes. So I'm just gonna pour some in here, and if we need more, we'll pour some more. Pour some more. It doesn't have a limit on how much it's supposed to be.
It's really until it gets like muddy, right?
Yeah, it really is. Like, you're gonna see how it gets like real foamy and stuff. So I've been making him put it on my face because I don't be feeling like I be putting enough on my face.
Put it on to make her want to marry me.
So you are so lame for that. So he gonna put it on my face. He don't put it on his face as much. He really just does like his cheeks, like right here, because his face is fine. There's nothing wrong with his face. I just get like real bad.
Dang, you don't stink.
I just get like really bad heat bumps and like real bad acne. So I've been trying to find like different methods to make my face more clear. As you can see, that's just me. The first time doing it, I had like really bad blotches over here, not any longer. So yeah, about to get, but please don't. Okay, what do you want me to do?
Welcome to Lee's spa, mud and bath. It's real beautiful in here.
I can't take you serious.
Now put your head back.
Oh, okay, come on.
Put your head back. Put your head back.
You want the glove?
This isn't really how you're supposed to apply it. But you know, if you got someone to apply it on for you, this is the way you can. We just gonna do it right for y'all. But really, we'll be back for y'all in a minute.
We're back with our face mask on. Aren't we cute? Aren't we cute? That was nothing portrayed to what I was trying to get at. But this is how, you know, you put it on your face. I always have more on my cheeks. I have like really big cheeks, y'all. So like I always put a lot on my cheeks and stuff just to make sure everything is, you know.
Big chipmunk cheeks.
You like my big chipmunk cheeks.
Check a boy out, you feel me?
So he finally put it on his whole face.
For y'all.
Just for y'all, I'm telling y'all, he only really does like his nose part and his cheeks. That's it.
I really don't do it at all.
So I have videos. You want me to show y'all? So you let this sit for at least 15 minutes until like it gets really hard. Once it gets really hard, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. But 15 minutes tops. After that, it's more so like a scrub off mask with water. I don't like splashing water in my face because I feel like I'll be drowning every time. So I literally take a rag and I scrub it off my face. And keep in mind, this mask may not work for everyone, but it works for me. And I just thought I'd share it with you guys. And once it comes off of your face will be red for at least 30 minutes, but the redness will go down. It's only red because...
It'll only be red if you got like light skin or you just got caramel skin.
Yeah, like
if you dark like
you're
me,
real light, your face is gonna be like red for at least 30 minutes. And that's
but
nothing.
It really don't even be 30 minutes.
Yeah, mine was 30 minutes.
Yours was 30 minutes.
You're not as light as me, so it's kind of different.
It don't matter.
Y'all do not put this on your eyebrows. Don't put this on your... But you had on... Oh, I was gonna say... Don't put this on your eyebrows. Y'all gonna be scrubbing that stuff off and your eyebrows gonna be coming off with it. Just kidding. But...
Well, it's on my eyebrows.
Y'all comment below some more videos that y'all want to see us do. We got a lot of video ideas and stuff. I think it's time to start prank war. What y'all think?
Chill with that smoke. No
Team Neek
no
in the
smoke.
comments. Go ahead and spam Team Neek in the comments if you want to start prank war, cause
She don't want no smoke. Let her know.
I'm kind of ready, but
She don't want no smoke.
he gonna get me back. So
Take it.
we'll be back once it hardens in on our face. We're back. We are back.
All right, come
We're
on.
back. We are back.
Mm.
We're back. So yeah, we got 1 minute left. Well, probably like 56 seconds. So Lee is about to take it off his face because he just can't wait till the timer goes off. But go back. This is how it will look when it hardens your face. Looks like little...
Look at the edge of y'all. Don't look at my hairline.
Look like little rocks on his face, right? Little hard rocks. But that's what it looks like when you take it off. So your water temperature, you want to have it warm, like lukewarm. You don't want to have it like too cold, too hot. So warm is just fine. Lukewarm.
What is that?
Lukewarm. You never heard of lukewarm? Google it. It'll teach you. Lukewarm water. Lukewarm. So, I'm the type of person to scrub it off my face over the sink because it will get messy and it will go everywhere if you're not over something. Yeah. Just wet up your rag. Make sure it's like really, really wet. And just like do this with your face. Show them how it's done, Lee.
Alright, so what you do, right? You take your rag. Alright, you make sure you put it in your right hand. You make sure you put it in your left hand. Make sure you got a good grip on that rag, alright? Grip it like you know, it's the grip challenge. Like, grip it. Like
they have a grip challenge?
This. I don't know. I'm pretty sure they do. Because, see, they got a grip challenge.
Never heard of it.
Grip challenge. But, we started that grip challenge. Hashtag Lee. But, you're going to grip it like you're dropping, okay? You put 10 into, my bad, 10 into, alright? 10 into, alright? Smash.
Still hugging at the same. Your face is red.
Face ain't gonna be red that long, but she get a little bit of red, but second to put clear skin, you feel me? Clear skin Lee in the building. Let me get this camera focused a little bit. Now me, I'm gonna let y'all know I don't like my face being dry, so I'll get y'all some of this little cocoa butter right here.
It's the real cocoa butter.
Real cocoa butter,
like
right?
Real cocoa butter.
You take the little thing, rub it on your hand. Rub it on your hands. Cocoa hands.
Cocoa.
Rub it on your face, make your face nice and smooth.
Tell them how you first thought it was done.
I'm gonna say that for another story. Rub it on your face. Nice and shiny. She's still going.
I had more than you. I told you. I take mine off way differently.
Final results for Lee right now. Y'all just take a look.
I'm back. Y'all missed me. Lee was boring y'all, right? Just a little bit, But this is the cocoa butter he put on his face. It's pure cocoa butter, 100% natural. They come in little circles like this. And you just rub them in your hands. In your hands. Lee don't want to tell y'all his story time from when he tried to first use this. Messing in my stuff.
So I took this and I thought it was a nice little chip that'll moisturize inside your skin. So it was on my face like this for like ever and I couldn't get it off.
But y'all just like literally just rub it everywhere. It smells real good. It smells better than the apple cider vinegar. So yeah, as y'all can see, my face is like really red. I get red like really quick. So yeah. All right, y'all. So that was our little nighttime or, you know, skin routine in general. It doesn't have to be during the night, or, you know, whenever you feeling like you want to try it out, definitely try it out. It's good for your face. You may not see results instantly, but
you'll see them like the
them.
next day.
Yeah, because I woke up, I was like, ooh, my face cleared. So it really just depends on how consistent you are. Again, we want to thank everyone that has subscribed to our channel. If you know some friends that's, you know, interested in some more YouTube channels that they want to watch, Neek and Lee is the channel to go to.
Team
Don't
L's.
forget, if you're watching and you have not already subscribed,
remember,
hit the subscribe.
2 L's in the
Hit the subscribe button. It's Team Neek in the comments all the time. Like I said earlier, if y'all want to see some pranks, spam the comments for Team
I'm gonna get her,
Neek,
y'all.
and I got y'all.
She asking for
Make sure, if you watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell to be alerted every time that we post another video. Like and comment below some ideas you want us to do as far as videos. And of course, spam Team Neek so that way we can start some prank war. Prank war. So that was it for today, y'all. We'll see y'all in our next video.